Weather, a wind advisory is in effect Monday from 11 a.m. to 8 p.m. Mountain Standard Time for parts of the Eastern Mogollon Rim, Western Mogollon Rim, Northeast Plateaus and Mesas south of Highway 264, the Black Mesa area, Little Colorado River valleys in Coconino, Navajo and Apache counties, and the White Mountains. Expect gusty winds and rough travel conditions across northern and central Arizona. International/national news. Iran's ongoing bombing campaign continues after the killing of its supreme leader in a U.S. Israeli operation. Iranian officials say hundreds have died, including 3 American service members, as strikes persist. Fox 10 coverage includes live updates, satellite imagery, and expert analysis on the crisis and its regional implications, with observers weighing potential escalations and international responses. Local updates. Fox 10 provides ongoing Arizona headlines, weather updates, traffic reports, and community reporting alongside national and international coverage.